Collagen are the most abundant protein in human body. It organizes and strengthens the extracellular matrix. The collagen is distributed throughout the body and divided into four types: type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4 collagen. The type 1 collagen is the most abundant form of collagen and is present in hard structure, mean those structure which give tensile strength to the human body. It include bone, skin, tendon, fascia and late wound healing. The deficiency or the decreased production of type 1 collagen will result in a disease called as osteogenesis imperfecta. In osteogenesis imperfecta, there is a decreased production of type 1 collagen which lead to the variety of clinical abnormality. The clinical feature or the abnormality in osteogenesis imperfecta can be remembered by a mnemonic BITE. BITE. The B stand for bone, it means the patient will have a multiple fracture. The I stand for eye, which patient will have a blue sclera. The T stand for teeth, mean the patient will have a dental imperfection, and the E stand for ear, mean the patient will have a hearing loss. So these four features are characteristic for osteogenesis imperfecta. Now come toward the type 2 collagen. The type 2 collagen give a less tensile strength than the type 1 collagen, and it is present in cartilage including hyaline cartilage, vitreous body and nucleus pulposus. Type 3 collagen is present in reticular fiber, granulation tissue, embryonic tissue, uterus, blood vessel and early wound healing. The defect in type 3 collagen will result in a disease called as Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. In this disease, the patient will have a hyperextensible skin with hypermobile joint. Along with that, the patient will have a multiple complications such as joint dislocation, berry and aortic aneurysm and organ rupture, and the patient will have increased chance of bleeding. Now come toward the last type of collagen, the type 4 collagen. It is the weakest of all collagen and it is present in basal membrane, basal lamina and lens. The defect in type 4 collagen will result in two types of diseases: Alport syndrome and Goodpasture syndrome. In Alport syndrome, there is a congenital defect in basement membrane, mean that in short the defect is in type 4 collagen which lead to the widespread clinical feature. While in Goodpasture syndrome, it is an autoimmune condition in which the autoantibodies are formed against type 4 collagen of basement membrane. It was all about the collagen. If there is still any question, you guys can ask and stay tuned for more update.